Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your email address on Snapchat app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And now to change your email address, you can see the Bitmoji icon or your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your phone. Tap there. And after that, you can see the settings icon over here on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there. And after that, you can see your email address over here under the category My Account. Just tap on the email. And after that, you can currently see my email is this one. Now if I wanted to change it, I will use another one. So basically, let's cross it and change my email address. Okay, let's save it. Now let's enter our password for security purpose. Now there you can see we have successfully changed our email, but Snapchat will send us a verification link. So now it has already arrived on my email. You can see the team Snapchat has sent me the confirm your email address. Now tap there. And after that, you can see the confirm email option over here. After opening the Gmail or the email sent by Snapchat, tap on the confirm email. And let's use the Google Chrome for it. And there successfully we have verified our email address. There's another email saying that Snapchat email has changed. And now let's go to our app. And after successfully verifying our email, you can see the email has been changed in our settings. Previously the email was sudhanshrestha@1234@gmail.com. Now it's currently sudhanshrestha2018@gmail.com. And there guys, this is how you change an email on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.